Hey, welcome back. Guess what we're going to do today? We're going to do some pork chops on the pellet grill. Got a new seasoning. I'll show you here in just a minute. But here I want to show you something. I got another video I'm going to do here this weekend for Memorial Day weekend. What I'll do is let me show you. Just let me show you. All right, I got me a propane tank and I got a propane cord for my griddle. All right, I got that propane tank today. Man, you ain't gonna believe what I paid for that jugger. That is ridiculous of what I paid for a freaking propane tank. I didn't have one. I got rid of my gas grill a couple of years ago, and guess what? I got rid of the propane tanks, which I should have never done. I regret it now, but that that daggum propane tank was $70 freaking dollars. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Good God, I'll never do that again. Don't never give them away. Don't even sell them. You keep them in your storage, turn them in. Man, I can't believe that. But anyway, we're gonna do that this weekend. Daggum gnats. All right, let's get this show on the road. Let's get grilling. I'm gonna show you some pork chops with this new seasoning I got, and I think I'm gonna like it because he's a big celebrity. Let me show you. All right, here's my pork chops here. Got them there. This one's got a lot of fat on it. Got a lot of fat. I ain't trimming them up. Trim it off gives it flavor. Look at that. Not too thin. I don't want them really thin. All right, let me show you what kind of rub I'm going to use today. Got this for my birthday last week. Wife got it for me. You ever heard of Big Mo Cason competition rib rub? This guy here was on what was it? Barbecue Pitmasters. Have y'all ever watched that? Has anybody ever watched Barbecue Pitmasters? He's a big celebrity, big time. He's been on a couple of shows there on the Food Network. And yes, he has his own rubs, seasonings, I should say. So we're going to use it. I saw it. I showed it to her. I'd like to have one. So she got it for my birthday. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Here we go. Let's start putting it on. I didn't open it up. It's brand new. Look at that. It ain't been used yet. All right. Here we go. Let's go ahead and start seasoning. This time, I'm going to rub it in a little bit. Just a little rub. Rub it in that rib rub. Look at that. Man, I hope this stuff's good. I bet it is. Here's that one. Look at all that fat on that joker. I'm not even going to cut that off. I was going to cook it, eat it. I'll eat it. Now here's what I use right here, this Expert Grill, 5-star hickory and oak blend. It's the cheapest ones at Walmart. I don't buy them because they're cheaper. I buy it because it's really good. You know, you can enjoy this with cow, chicken, pig, fish, it's like shrimp and vegetables. Look there, all of it. I like that blend though, I do like the blend. I've tried the other ones. I think I tried the Pit Boss. They're good, really good. I couldn't tell the difference. I cannot tell the difference between any of them. So there you go. I just go with this one. I like it. I like the Pit Boss too. Guess what we're gonna look at? It's time. Let's look at them. Also had to throw this veggie burger on for my stepdaughter. Put that in the middle. It's a veggie burger. We don't talk about that much. Ooh, look at that. Looking good. I'll flip them. First flip. Come on, baby. Flip it. Man, these things are big. How big these things are. Yeah, daggum steak. Man, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Woo, that's perfection right there. Oh, yes. That's something kind of delicious right there. You can tell, smell it. Man, if you can just smell it, ooh, that's heaven right there. Man, you just wouldn't, you don't understand. how good it smells. All right, let's check them out. Let's see what we got. There's that burger. Shit, I forgot about that. Anyway, all right, back to the show. All right, oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Juicy, look at it. Daggone juice everywhere. I done spilled it all over the floor. Don't want all that fat. Oh, eat that sucker, boy. I don't know about eating all that fat, but tell me you're gonna eat that one. Let's turn it over. It'll look good. Turn them over, move around. That's what it's all about. Rotate, rotate, rotate. I don't know if I rotated or not. Don't remember. Oh well. All right, we'll get a few more minutes. I think it's about ready. About 8 minutes. Here we go. I think they're done. Oh yeah, man! Look at the juice on that. Oh my God! Look at the juice. Gotta pull this thing out. Hang on. Let's show y'all this juice. Good Lord! Hang on just a second here. The juice on that joker. Man. Got the burger. Oh my God! Look at the juice in there. Holy smokes! Love it. Put you back in the holder. There we go. Let's pull them off. That's good. Oh, they're done. Holy smokes! Yeah. Oh, isn't that like good old pork juice? Woo! I love some pork juice. Juicy, juicy, juicy. I ain't familiar with this thing. I don't know if it's done or not. I don't even think they're cooked. I think they're already pretty cooked. Oh, yeah. Leave it in there for a minute. Turn that joker off. Get that later. I may have to do a video on those things. Let's check it out. Let's taste test this sucker. Okay, this is my favorite part of the video. When you get to actually taste test these. Let's take this one. That'll be fine. Look at that. Got a little bone in it. Oh my God, look at that. Heaven, heaven. All right, here we go. Cut it. We're gonna cut it up real quick. Just a little quick bite. Let's get this piece right here. It said it was screaming, try me out first. All right, let's taste test it. All right, let's see if Mo Cason knows what he's doing with this rub. Pretty sure he does. Here we go. We're gonna taste test it. Look at there. Look at there. It's beautiful. Beautiful piece of meat. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, he knows what he's doing. He knows exactly what he's doing when he mixed that rub up all together, all them ingredients. Man, that's good. That's pretty good. I like it. I really have never had a bad rub or any kind of rub or any kind of sauce, really. But, man, that's good. That's pretty good. Damn, good pork chop, too. I went to my local supermarket. I wanted about 3/4 of an inch thick. I asked her, hey, can y'all cut me some 3/4 inch pork chops? They said, yeah, but the lady's on break. I was like, break? It's 8 o'clock in the morning. How you take a break at 8 o'clock? But anyway, I was like, I need to wait. I didn't wait, but the guy helped me. He said, here's some pretty thick ones. Will these do? If they not, I will get the lady to cut you 3/4 of an inch. I said, you know what? That'll be just fine. These will be fine. I ain't got to have them that thick. But I do like a good old thick pork chop, though, man. I do like it. Yeah, those are good. About a half inch. That's fine. I wanted it thick. I didn't want them thin breakfast ones. I did not want them. I wanted to taste the meat. No, seriously, that's good. It's really good. I recommend it. I also recommend this. I recommend this Big Mo Cason's competition rub. You never tried it? Give it a try. It's good. It's really good. It's got a good flavor. Really good flavor to it. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna use it a lot too. Use them all the flavor, all those rubs I keep getting. They'll be gone before you know it. Probably gonna buy one or two more, you know, to try out. But they're basically kind of all the same, man. But I tell you what my favorite was, man, was that Meat Church the Holy Cow. Man, that was some of the best. Man, I don't know what he put in it. I didn't read the ingredients, but my God, that was good. But anyway, this is about this video. Yeah, this smoked Cason is very good. I like it. Recommend it. Get it. I saw it at Academy Sports also. That's probably where my wife got it. So, yeah. There you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Don't forget, I do have a Amazon affiliated link down below. Check it out. Check out my stuff. You know, check out what I got on there. Go to Amazon. It costs you nothing to look. You buy something great. It helps me out. I get a little percentage off of it, and that's it. The price don't go up or nothing. So, thank you for watching. Have a good week. See you on the next one.